what are your strategies. So you can see, well, it could be better, but you can see that this is what we need now.
Refer to any lesson I'm talking about.
Yes.
Refer to the whole curriculum.
It can be for primary school, for university. It's not a problem.
So I mean, it could be the whole year. And then
Yes,
going
or
into the
only.
subject.
Yes, of course. Well, if it's the whole year, I think it's not the most relevant to design a curricula. But
I have to go
the better level is a level of what we call a sequence, which can be 3 weeks or 1 week. It depends on which kind of pedagogy, but not only 1 hour.
We're calling a sequence what happens in a specific activity, in a specific lesson. Same terminology.
Yes,
but different meaning.
Yeah.
Valerie, can you quickly tell us which tool you're presenting and tell us a bit about it?
Okay, so I'm presenting ScenEdit, which was designed with teachers, designers at secondary school, and it helps teachers to share and design their own pedagogical scenarios. We have 3 levels which were important for the teachers, which is the level of the intentions. What are my pedagogical objectives? What are my objectives in terms of knowledge and competencies? And then which kind of strategy I want to use with this scenario. Is it problem-based learning, for instance, or it can be whatever, inquiry-based learning too. And when I have chosen my intentions and my strategy, I can focus on what a teacher is more used to design. It's what we call interactional situation, which is an esquisse of the activities a group of activities the learners will do. For instance, it can be a debate, and the teacher doesn't want to say the first one will say that, the second one will say that, but you just have to state what is the debate, what kind of tools he will use for the debate. Is it presential or distance debate? And so you design the roles, the tools, the resources, and the location where it takes place, because the location is very important for teachers. It can be inside the classroom, outside, in the company, for instance.
So, Francesca,
Yeah?
so how, this is the first time you've used this tool?
Yes, I have read something about it, but it is the first time I really can play
And
around.
how easy is it to use? I mean, do you find it very intuitive, or is that a kind of a...
Well, I find it very useful because I find it really important to give the teachers the opportunity to, you see here, to express their intentions and the strategies on which they build their scenarios. On the other hand, I find that sometimes the interface is not so easy, and there are a lot of menu. So a lot of taxonomy, I would call them like that, and so it is difficult to sometimes to interpret all the items in the correct way. You have to choose among a list, but sometimes you have doubt about what to choose. So maybe some help, some online help would help the teacher to choose.
Very sorry, just one question. In terms of the output of the tool and its interaction with other tools, what does it generate in the end?
It's based on a database, but it generates XML files, so you can, with XSD for example, you can through it to ASLD if you want, and we are working on using it as a plugin on Moodle, for instance.
Okay.
That's what we think of doing now.
Okay, thank you.
You.
Right.